Okay, how many days we got? 4 more sleeps?
Yeah, I know. Santa's coming.
Santa's coming. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? Taylor Kaye is always ready, and we love having her on the show with her DIY ideas.
Yeah, some easy ideas because the countdown is on, and you know, going into the mall, there's a lot of stuff that is overpicked now, right? And then you're like, what do I do? What do I get? Or maybe like a quick DIY. Like I was thinking, you know, especially we do this at our house.
Okay.
Ornaments. Right now, ornaments are probably going to be overpicked when you're trying to decorate your tree.
Are you
right?
decorating your tree this late?
Well, some people do. My neighbor just got their tree. They like to do it on Christmas Eve, and then they keep it out for 6 days. It's a family thing.
Oh, it's only you put it up for only a certain amount of time.
I've had it up since November.
Right.
I'm like, so
until April.
But this is the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12. It's you know, and you can get these great pictures, which is great. And what we'll do is we'll turn them into ornaments with the little Instax photos.
One of these. We got one of these for our oldest Pippa a couple of years ago. She loves it too. Oh,
is the coffee machine going? I think I'll have a coffee.
You want a coffee?
But you know what you could do is just get a hole puncher, get some ribbon, hang this on the tree. I think this is Tansy and I.
Sorry, Laura. Let me. Oh, look at us.
Look at us.
Because here's the thing because we take so many pictures and they just sit on your phone.
Right, and then you can look back at these as memories as they're hanging on the tree, as little ornaments. You can
What's
get different
the oldest
ribbons.
one that's on the tree?
It's about 8 years old.
Is it really?
Yeah. So I mean, I look fabulous in that one. I don't know about this, but you can get
fabulous now, darling.
You can get this at Best Buy, bestbuy.ca. They've got 1 hour pickup. Okay, let's talk about bags. Okay, there's so many bags. Let's not do the bags this year.
Okay.
Let's do socks with alcohol or non-alcoholic drinks. So I'm gonna get you're gonna get a pair of socks instead of a bag, and we're gonna get a bottle. They're brand new. I just got them.
Okay, good.
Listen, our buddy Glenn Peloso, he's like, I'm gonna give you some socks, and started taking them off last night. I'm like, no.
He was just here.
So look you're just gonna put this. Look how cute this is. Now,
nice.
Now Tim, you're gonna tie the other sock because it's a pair of socks as a bow.
Right.
And you're gonna gift someone. They get socks, they get a drink. How cute is this DIY?
Oh, nice.
Look there's Elf.
So then you can use those are Elf socks?
Well, this is the Elf socks. Here's Will Ferrell here, right? I mean, don't use compression socks. Like don't do those. That's Trish's joke and Chef D's.
Stealing jokes, that's my game.
Yeah.
All about it.
I'm like, so don't do that. So now, once you have the socks, you want to open up the non-alcohol or alcohol drinks.
Okay, so we're seeing this more and more, and I've given it a try. This Guinness, the Guinness
0%. Zero. So this, so
can I open this up?
Have some.
What does it do with this? Whoa.
So this is, you know, for the beer lover in your family, if they love Guinness, this has the same great taste. Oh, look at you. You are a pro.
Well,
Gentleman's pour right here.
Maybe done this once or twice.
So they take out the alcohol with a cold filtration process. So that's how they do that with the Guinness Zero. Look at you, Tim. Go, Tim, go.
There we go.
There's also other options like seed lip, which I have here, which you can like make daiquiris and mojitos.
We've had that before.
Yeah. Okay, look it.
So now you want to let that settle.
Do you want that?
Some people can put like a nice little design on the top of that.
Do you put the T on there?
Yeah. Right.
Can you put a letter T on there?
Can't really do that. Okay,
Are you ready?
Let that settle for a second.
Let that settle.
Okay, we got there.
Oh, and I was going to say, and then Crown Royal. When I have a bar cart, like Crown Royal for the win because it's a great whiskey. Shout out to my Uncle Phil.
Shout out to Paul Bolin.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Dad? Yeah. Coming your way.
Right? And they have different flavors too, which is a lot of fun. So again.
No, really, I haven't shopped for him yet. What are you doing with that?
So yeah, actually you can take that right after there. Okay. Paul, it's yours. And then another quick DIY. Again, you're getting invited to someone's house. What I have, honestly, I have 3 or 4 cheese boards that I've purchased that are like sitting ready to go. You can go to any big box store, grab a cheese board, get some grocery cheese.
Does this come with this one?
Yes, I stuck him on. He's glued on, but he does come off. Tim, but you can have this one, Tim, right here. This one is like a Santa. This is like a little Santa guy here.
Right.
But you know, grab a cheese board, get some store-bought cheese, and then how many times have you gone to someone's house? You're like, can I have my bowl back? Can I have my board back?
Right,
you leave this. This is the gift.
This is yours to leave.
Yeah, and I found this little sleigh as a cheese board too. So again, easy DIYs that you can do just at the grocery store and have some fun, or the liquor store. How is this?
Merry Christmas. I'm gonna give it a little.
Does it have the same great taste?
Pretty tasty. Okay, Merry Christmas, Taylor.
Merry Christmas.
Special K's, Greg, everybody, the whole family. Oh, Mom! Your mom's maybe watching.
Oh, hi, Mom.
What's your mom's name?
Karen.
Hey, Merry Christmas,
She is a Karen. So she's not.